There were two guys indicted in Las Vegas for money laundering last week. They were indicted on Thursday. They were arraigned on Friday. Both of them were free. Okay, both people. Okay. Okay, whenever they were arraigned. Okay, now listen to this carefully. Okay, when they were arraigned. Okay, one of them's guy's name was Sam Davis. The other one is. Anyway, I'll think of it in a minute. Okay, anyway, so this guy. Okay, Sam Davis got up in arraignment himself. Didn't have an attorney. The judge says, "What is your name?" And he says, "Well, my mother told me that my name was Sam Davis." Okay, that's hearsay. Okay, and that is significant because he didn't contract with the court. And I've heard this stuff about contracts and all the other stuff for years, but I've never seen anybody win on it. Now I have. Okay, he didn't contract with the court. Okay, and the judge says, "How do you plead?" He said, "I'm here to plead guilty. But I want to know who is going to certify the record into the court." Okay. The prosecutor, the judge then turned to the prosecutor and said, "Well," and the prosecutor said, "Well, we haven't had this come out before. I don't know what to do." So then the judge and prosecutor went back and forth for an hour, and the judge says, "You're released."
I think the other guy's name was Sean Rice, wasn't it?
Sean Rice, right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, is that ratification of commencement? That's what that was, right?
It was a what?
Ratification of commencement. That's what that technique is.
Right, correct.
What did the judge say?
Judge released him. He couldn't hold him. They can't certify the record. How are they going to certify the record? It's not a valid court.
I just missed. There was some noise or something. I just missed when you said it.
I'll go back over it one more time. Okay. So Sam Davis is arrested on last Thursday. He's arraigned on Friday before the magistrate. Okay. The first thing the magistrate says is, "What is your name?" Sam Davis said, "Well, I am told by my mother that my name is Sam Davis." Okay, that's hearsay. Which he did not contract with the court. Okay, and then the second question was, how do you plead? And he says, "I'm here to plead guilty, but I need to know who's going to certify the record onto the court." They can't certify the record, okay?
Now, why did they give you a plea of guilty?
It doesn't matter what you plead, okay? Okay, because you can't plead guilty to something that doesn't exist. Okay, but basically what he was saying is, "I'm here to plead guilty, but I need to know who's going to certify the record onto the court."
Do you know how to explain further what exactly that means? How to certify? I mean, what in essence is he basically asking when he's doing?
Okay, well, what he's saying is this. Okay. This is not an Article 3 court. Okay, this is a court in commerce. Okay, that's what he's saying. He said, "Now, since we're in commerce," he said, "I'm not going to enter into a contract with you." Okay, and so what he's saying is that if you're actually a valid Article 3 court or constitutional court, then certify the record that you are.
All right.
Well, anyway, he was released, and he's out of the system. So.
Now you said he's out of the system. They're not going to bring forth more charges against him?
Okay, here's what they did. This is my understanding. I have a very good friend that's a personal friend of his. Okay, and he called me. And Friday evening, he said, "Are you sitting down?" And I said, "Sure." He said, "Well, you need to listen to this." So, he told me the whole story. And what they did is the judge couldn't figure out what to do, so the judge finally said, "You're released on bond." But they didn't make him sign any bond papers. They didn't make him do anything. Okay, and they didn't ask him. They didn't set up a date for him to come back. They didn't do anything. So anyway, the point of this is this. Okay, if you understand how the system works and you know how to use it, then you have the right to win in these